Hey guys, today we are going to review the base information of this 20-inch foldable bike. Here's a LCD display with 5-step appendal assist. The thing is adjustable and foldable. And the front wheels here is equipped with hygienic disc brake, water bottle holders mounted in the middle of frame, and then the mid motors comes with 350 watts output, and the bike comes with a unique seat and vinyl saddle, and the rear wheel here is equipped with hygienic disc brakes. Here is a Sarah's wheel derailleurs and the 8-gear Shimano feel wheels. So our logos ZNH-E bikes printed in the front. It looks pretty sleek and stylish. So this is the bike was recognized in these videos. If you get any interest, please feel free to contact us or visit our website. Thank you.